What's up, everybody? It's Enos here. Welcome to another episode. This week, we're in an exclusive gated community of hidden hills and about to tour this incredible estate right behind me. Built on a 2.34 acre lot, and this property is currently on the market for $19,995,000. From the street level, we have the circular driveway bringing us up to this grand entry, and the same drive actually continues to the other side. Here we are at the grand entry. We have 2-story ceilings here, beautiful chandelier right in the center, and all these windows are bringing a ton of natural light to the grand entry. Let's go this way. Right underneath the staircase, we have the wine cellar. Come on in. This is a temperature-controlled wine cellar. We have plenty of storage areas. We're gonna take this hallway here to our guest suite. So these double doors open up. This one is very spacious. We have the same. These double doors open up to the office, study. This office, in my opinion, is gorgeous. I love the woodwork, the millwork here. Even the hallways are so spacious in this house. We have a hallway closet here. And let's talk about the formal living room area. We have vaulted ceilings here with the arch windows above, again, letting a ton of natural light in to the living room area. We have a gas fireplace here with a cast stone finish that looks really cool. Seating area. And of course, this formal living room is complemented with an amazing bar on this side. First off, I love onyx countertops, and it's beautifully backlit, has the waterfall edge. We have the bar seating here with pendant lights above. And this bar is a dual elevation. You get plenty of storage. You get a sink set up. Also, throughout this tour, we're gonna see a lot of bar setups, and all the bars actually have these accordion windows that stack on one side. And that wraps our tour for the formal living room area. We're back at the grand hallway, and right here off of the grand entry, we have the formal dining room area. It's another spacious room. We have a table for 10 here, beautiful chandelier right in the center. And kind of carrying the arch detail, we have all these arches again opening up to the hallway. This opening goes to the kitchen. We're gonna tour the kitchen in a bit. We have a powder room here for the first floor. Beautiful marble floors here. Vanity set up on this side with a drop-in sink. And as we pan up to the ceiling, I just realized we have this oval ceiling detail here, which is a nice detail. Now, we're gonna take the hallway right here, and we have the secondary staircase going up to the second floor here. And as we take this hallway, on our right-hand side, we have the kitchen. This is where we have the family room. We have another hallway before we go there. We have the sleek floating vanity here, and of course, the spacious walk-in shower. Since this house is over 13,000 square feet, you need a big laundry room. In this case, we have all these base cabinets, sink setup, doggy wash. It's a nice detail to have. It's a fan's touch. All right, let's go back to the hallway. We have the secondary staircase going up to the second floor here. And as we take this hallway, on our right-hand hallway closet, mudroom on this side. Mikey, let's get a close-up of this. And right behind Mikey, we have another powder room for nice vanity setup here with a backsplash design and marble floors. And right behind Mikey, we have the access to the attached car garage. Chili's. We have a huge garage here. This one is the attached one. We actually have another garage that is detached, full of car again. All right, so we have the first Rolls Royce here, second one on this side, Range Rover. We have a good old Ford here, and 2 golf carts here. This one kind of looks like a replica of a Rolls Royce, which I thought was really just playful. But overall, it's a great space, and let's show this real quick. All right, let's go back inside. All right, let's follow this hallway. We have the pantry on my right-hand side, a bit of a desk set up here, and this is where we have the kitchen. All white cabinetry, Beautiful island design right in the center with marble countertops. Overall, it's a very timeless kitchen design that also architecturally is. On this side, more built-ins. Your countertops continue. We have the marble backsplash, and I like how the cabinets are. I also really like that they went with the herringbone pattern on the backsplash right behind the gas stove. Let's not forget our pot filler. And Mikey, let's turn this side. We have the dishwasher here, smaller sink. As we continue, the LED lighting underneath the cabinets. And right here, off of the kitchen and breakfast nook, we have the amazing family room. This is where we have your TV set up with a gas fireplace. We have a beautiful media wall on this side, all the French doors opening up to the backyard. Hardwood floors are consistent throughout the entire house, which is a very nice touch. And complementing the family room, we have a beautiful wet bar on this side. We have the custom black cabinets, the onyx countertops. And now, my favorite part, the backyard. We have an amazing covered patio area, a huge swimming pool with a spa, and a fire pit. This custom-shaped pool is absolutely stunning, with a cabana that has its own wet bar and seating. Now let's talk about the detached 6-car garage, which is right over there. It's massive, with plenty of room for car lifts, so you can really stack up your collection. And then, to complete this amazing estate, we have a detached guest house. It has its own living space, a full kitchen. Welcome to the guest house. We have a comfortable living area, a fully equipped kitchen, and a cozy bedroom. Even the guest house bathroom matches the main house's luxurious style. With a beautiful vanity and a spacious walk-in shower, guests will feel right at home. And as we walk out of the bathroom, this is where we have the spacious bedroom for the guest house. Comfortable bed, sitting area, and of course, and right across from the bedroom, we have the open living area, kitchenette, and the dining space. It's a fully self-contained unit, perfect for guests or even extended family. That wraps up our tour for the guest house. Let's head outside again and check out the 6-car detached garage. As we walk across the lawn, you can see the sheer size of this incredible detached garage. Welcome to the ultimate car enthusiast's dream. This detached garage is home to an amazing collection of vehicles. Beyond just parking, we also have car lifts, maximizing storage capacity. You can store even more of your prized possessions right here. Plenty of space for a workshop, detailing area, or additional storage. This garage is truly a flexible and massive space. All right, let's head back to the main house. That concludes our tour of the fantastic outdoor amenities and detached structures. Now, let's go explore the rest of this grand estate. There's so much more to see inside the main house. We're heading back inside, where we'll soon discover the upper level. Get ready to see the luxurious bedrooms and amenities upstairs. All right, we're back inside the main house. Now that we've seen the incredible outdoor amenities, it's time to explore the second floor. Let's head up this magnificent spiral staircase. Welcome to the second floor landing. From here, you get another perspective of the stunning foyer. This floor is dedicated to the private quarters, featuring several spacious bedrooms and luxurious bathrooms. Here we have one of the many impressive secondary bedrooms. Each one is designed with comfort and elegance in mind. And of course, every bedroom comes with its own beautifully appointed ensuite bathroom. Now for the grand reveal, the incredible master suite. Prepare to be amazed. Welcome to the epitome of luxury, the master bedroom. This space is truly grand, offering incredible scale. We have a lovely sitting area here, perfect for relaxation. And just look at these incredible views overlooking the entire property. Now, let's explore perhaps the most indulgent part of the master suite. Follow me into the master bathroom. Imagine unwinding in this gorgeous freestanding tub. And of course, we have a huge walk-in shower with all the modern features.